Hip rotation assessment. This is also assessing the space that you have in your hip capsule. So we like to prioritize rotation first. So first and foremost, before you really work on too many other aspects of hip mobility, we want to make sure that you have rotation dialed. And so today the way that we're going to assess your rotation is have you stand up, and you can either hold your knee out straight in front of you, you can put your hand on it if you need to, and you're going to rotate. And this is external rotation, and this is internal rotation. And so what you're looking for here is pure rotation without any pelvic or spinal movement whatsoever. So if you watch yourself in a mirror or have someone else watch you, that might be better because they'll be completely honest with you. You do not want your pelvis to hike out to the side because this is not actually hip rotation, this is low back movement. So we want to keep that specific to your hip. And how much rotation does your hip have? This should be nice and straight, no wiggling around, and it rotates side to side. So if you find that this is your internal rotation, that is not enough rotation. I would like more rotation. This is also barely adequate with external rotation. So you would like to have some degrees of freedom on either side. If you don't, basically what that says is that that capsule is a little too tight, and so it just is not free to move that way. You want to make sure the capsule has adequate space before you start working on things like hamstrings and quads. Okay?